with the boom shaking the bins.
Used to dream about this life that I'm living in, innocent, sleeping but I'm waking up different.
It seems that I've been asleep for so long, but my team runs deep, the weak don't hold on.
When the meek might inherit the earth, I inherit the song, and the soul on this verse is strong. So long to the critics and naysayers.
Feels wrong to say haters cause we all got them. From the top to the bottom, whole system's rotten.
Do I think about the fans that we haven't gotten yet?
You're not there when we rockin' sets, you won't find them like monsters in Loch Ness.
But ironically, that's what I consider progress. I retire the first day that people deny we
I'm on fire. We on fire. You on fire. We on fire. Human Torch type pen game, type my name in a web search and watch the display. You just might see the next show dates where we at in the charts. Fan comments, they believe in the spark for a cig or a blunt. My joints stay hot if you get me. Take a peek at who's with me. Naming individuals ain't enough. You haven't seen this many fans since the Olympics, huh? Honestly, man, I give a shit about a podium. The torch stay lit to the end of the ceremony when everything died down. Now in reverse, that just mean the flame came first. Cooling down before a new life with something in common with Earth is like. We're both burning deep in the core until dawn, and I promise on my daughter it's only second to the sun.
We on fire.
We on fire. We on fire. We on fire. You on fire.
We're on fire. Yeah, we on fire.
This is why this is my favorite song right here. Galway, give it up to yourselves for making this song a success. I appreciate that shit. I'm happy to be with you fine folks on the celebration.